Hello everybody, it's me Max, and today I'll be showing you how to make a delicious dessert named Bسبوسة. For this dessert we need semolina, flour, sugar, baking powder, ghee or butter, yogurt, cream or milk, and syrup. In a bowl we'll put 2 cups of semolina, half cup of flour, half cup of sugar, half teaspoon of baking powder. Then mix well. Then add half cup of ghee or butter. Then mix well as you see in the video. Then add half cup of vanilla yogurt or plain, and this part is optional. Then add half cup of milk or heavy cream, and this part is optional. Mix but not too much so that our dessert is soft. Then get an oven pan brushed with oil and spread it well. On the top, we will spread some hazelnuts or any kinds of nuts you would like. We will press on them slightly as you see in the video. We will put it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit on the middle shelf. After 10 minutes, we will prepare the syrup. Our syrup is made from 2 cups of sugar plus 2 cups of water. Then we will add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and mix. And turn on the flame. Just so our syrup boils, we will keep on the flame for 10 minutes on medium heat. And it's better if you add 1 tablespoon of ghee or butter to the syrup. It took 30 to 35 minutes, and this is how it looks like after it came out of the oven. Once it came out of the oven, we'll put the hot syrup on it. It's better if you cover the dessert to make it softer. It's better if you let it completely cool to cut it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.